Welcome wishers to my channel Essential Speaks Messages. Okay, so we are here to continue, and these are your mid-month heartbeats. Okay, so mid-month tiny readings, and it is all about your situation and where it is heading. So getting on with your readings now, and just sending a lot of love from India. And hello Virgos, welcome to your mid-months. Okay, so let's start. I've already shuffled though, but I have to start the time because these are tiny readings. This is for your situation and where it is heading. Let's take out the cards first. Okay, so that's your card of Six of Coins. Okay, this card wants to flip. Let's see what it is. It is Knight of Swords, and the bottom, the boost energy, is the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, let me begin. Let me start the time here. Okay, so what I'm picking over here is that your situation right now is that regardless of the situations, you anyhow get the help, get the benefit of the situations. This is also about someone is making someone do all the work and task. Okay, and this is about a lot of generosity. Not just a simple generosity word. I feel that this is something of a help that you receive regardless of where you are. This is something people surround you and they help you. So the situation over here can be any work situation and in the relationship as well. Even if you are single, this is something of a very profitable situation which is going on regarding your own life. Like you have the family support. Okay, I'm also picking like at least what I'm picking over here situation is that someone is making do someone the work, the task. Okay, and if like this is something a hunt, and whenever it's like even a treasure hunt, it is something like people are doing work for you. I'm picking like this. Okay, so anyhow you get the treasure at the end, and this is situation is heading towards like being the leader, like finding out the solution to the problems, and you are the winner, like because of the help that you get, because of whatever you get. I'm also picking like over here that you have a lot of affection and you have a lot of support, and from people and within the relationship, from the partner as well. This is like do it like this energy. But what I'm picking at least over here is that regardless of this, whatever, I feel that there is an ignorance part on people who are doing this for you, and like it's a loud noise that is coming also, and this is an echo that is coming to you as well. Like you might need to realize some things. Okay, you might need to, but you are not doing so, and it is heading towards something like someone is ignoring the aspect of what people are doing within the relationship. Some sort of disappointment is turning in your world or in someone's world, or because of your own actions, this will be prevailing in the coming time. Alright, anyhow, this is also going through, like it is heading towards some sort of communication which can be abrupt, maybe from your, like you are speaking that with someone, or this is like a clear communication, someone is echoing towards you, like they're speaking, and you know everything is like so loud that birds are flying everywhere and they're like chirping, and in a one go like a challenging effect is there, and you are not bowing down. Okay, that I'm right. So this is something like the energy that is coming. Okay, something is good happening also, because there are, I said that affection and everything is happening for you, a support system, opportunities, and you are getting or receiving the right things at the right time. But apart from this, someone is getting drained. Okay, so like you are let me say this, Virgo, that there's a dominating energy also, like someone is doing that either on you or you are doing to someone. And when I'm saying, I'm picking over here like your energy as well, like there's an argument which is happening, and this argument is heading towards more argument. Okay, so the changes that will be coming, the Wheel of Fortune is also the energy of coming full round, like what you are giving will come to you. It's all about the karma also. So maybe this is something in a circle which is coming to you. This can be a communication that might be coming regardless of what someone is doing for you or you are doing for someone. This is something like a strength, whatever the strength right now is with you is either going, or because of the ambience it is going. Okay, so you need to be very much careful about the communication that you are doing in your life or with people, even with the closed ones, because I'm picking like out of love people are doing a lot of things for you, but if you will be ignorant of that and you will come out of like this, there is some sort of decision which might be like in a spiky formation, and that can create a turmoil in the destiny or the decisions that you will be doing, because I feel that things are happening really fast in your life, but regardless of this situation, something is not right, like someone is being drained or dominated in this process. this is also about like someone is taking someone for granted. It is something like putting away with the aspect of discussions within the relationship, which is not happening. Okay, at least that's what I'm picking. Let me see one more card. Yes, so the situation over here is someone is sad or will become sad because of the communication or because of whatever the situation is. Emotional conflict, okay? Emotional conflict that I can see, or at least I can view over here. It's also about hurting words from one side to the other side. On that, the situation that can mend itself is only to reconsider everything that is happening with you or you are doing with someone, okay? And this is also about someone is sad over here. Can be dealing with, okay, can be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This can be even Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, okay? Yes, definitely. I feel that someone needs loving care from your side, and which is not happening. This can be you as well, but I'm picking like someone is bombarding with the thoughts and everything on someone, okay? And they're not expecting this. Like it's some last minutes decisions or something like that. Another thing is that within the relationship with your partner or someone you love, there is a clash of communication, ego clash. Some things are going abrupt, some things are happening, okay? So it's a whole lot of even your care towards some situation where you need to. If you want to mend, this is a great time to mend some things, because this is heading towards I'm feeling like you will feel like there is no emotional support because of whatever happened, okay? It is heading towards like loss of those things that you are getting right now. Even feeling sad a little bit what you lost, okay, or what you are at the edge of losing something within the affectionate relationships. So see and speak, and you know, be mindful what you are speaking, how you are speaking, and how you are dealing with whatever you are getting. Don't ignore, don't take it for granted, okay? Take care, because Wheel of Fortune is all about karma as well. Take care, Lords of Love. Bye bye.